Yeah. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a technique on the djembe which I discovered by myself. I haven't seen it anywhere, so who knows. Basically, I'm shifting the pitch of the bass by lifting the djembe. You got that? And then you can also like pull it, like for the Bollywood vibes, or whatever you're into, you can discover it. It's such a nice. I just love it. Anyways, do some squats. Enjoy. You like that? If you've seen that before, please let me know. Yeah, like and subscribe. Visit my Instagram. Have a nice day. God bless.